Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Vanlife Jr., and I live in my van full-time, and have for a number of years. Now I have my dad traveling with me in his own van. And currently, we are on Vancouver Island, waiting out the winter, as weather in Alberta is still very cold at this time of year. I've experienced my fair share of -40 Alberta winters, and I'm very grateful to be on the island this year to avoid that scenario. I've also had my fair share of living in vehicles that were less than fit for the road. I'm thankful that this year I am able to be living in what will be, soon enough, my van life hot rod dream home, as I continue to build and improve on this van while I live in it. But first, now it's time to head off and grab ourselves a morning coffee. It's not exactly easy to build out a van while living in it, as many of you guys have seen through the build process of my van in the videos that I've created here on YouTube. From changing my transmission in a busy city on the side of a road, to putting up walls and insulation in a friend's garage. And then driving all the way here to Vancouver Island, where I was gifted by Van City Vanlife and Overland Interiors with a full build-out interior of my van. We will be going through all of that build-out here on the channel in a future video, but in today's video, I wanted to talk about another upgrade that I had done to the van, but not until I've had my morning coffee, of course. And I'm gonna need that truckload for the amount of voicing over this video is gonna take. Once we had our morning coffee, we decided to stop along the beach to check and see how much snow was on the mountains. Yep, that's entirely too much to head that direction yet. Even though it may look this nice here on the island, just over those mountains and on those mountains are blistering cold. So we'll take a day of chores here on the island over battling the freezing temperatures that Alberta winters have to offer. After doing some laundry, grabbing some groceries, and a quick shower, we headed back into the woods, where we can relax in peace until the snow clears off those mountains and we can head back to Alberta. As beautiful and as calm as Vancouver Island is, the one thing it doesn't see is a lot of sun. So with our vans being solar powered at times when we're parked, and with normally being in Alberta, having the sun around most of the times, it's never an issue. But being that we are on the island, we've been tending to use my good friend Ben's generator more than we'd like to admit. And without the generator there to power us back up, our batteries won't last long without any sun.
No gas, boys. Not at all. Ben! Bruce, come on, get up. Let's go. We got no gas, buddy. Come on. Let's go.
With the headlights on my van, normally going back into town just for a supply run at this time of night wouldn't be a very good idea. But my van currently has a trick up its sleeve. And that trick happens to be thanks to a company named Auxbeam. And right now, if you use the discount code in the description below, you can get 15% off your own light bars. After spending years with driving in vehicles with horrible headlights, finally, not only can I see the road ahead of me crystal clear, but I can also see the road all around. Whether you need to see the road 30 feet or 130 feet in front of you, Auxbeam's light bar kit has you covered. Not only are they extremely bright, but they are also fully adjustable with the brackets that Auxbeam provides in their kit. My headlights. Just to prove to everyone, this is my headlights completely off. So that's my headlights completely off, and the light bars are just doing all the work. If you need to see it to the side, boom. What's going on over here?
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
After finally loading up with all the supplies we need to head back to the campsite, it was time to hit the road again. Oh, I didn't even know there's a bridge there. After using these light bars for quite some time now and really putting them to the test, they are extremely rugged. After bouncing around in the back of my van for a few months before installing, they were exposed to water, extreme cold temperatures, but without a hiccup, these Auxbeam light bars are working just as they should. And in my opinion, they're just about bright enough to X-ray a moose. So the next time you're thinking of brighter lights, whether it's for camping, utility, off-roading, or even hunting, keep the name Auxbeam in mind. Okay, everybody, now that we are all back at the campsite, we all have diesel, we all have gas for the generator. We should be able to hold out for another couple days here at the campsite before having to head back to town for anything supplies-wise. We are just hanging out up here on Campbell River on Vancouver Island until the winter kind of calms down a little bit in Alberta so we can head back in that direction. It's not looking like it's going to be anytime soon. So until then, we plan to adventure as much as we can here on Vancouver Island for the time being. I have a few more review videos that I will be putting out along with a van tour of the kit that Andy from Overland Interiors and Chrome at Van City Vanlife helped provide me with in my van. I'm very grateful for that, and I really want to do the video justice, so be sure to stick around for that video, along with a few adventure videos and a couple new things that we have coming in the new year of 2025. I'm very excited to say that we are super close to finally releasing the merch website. So be sure to stick around for that as well. There is a lot going on in the new year. I know we're starting off to a little bit of a slow patch here with videos coming into the new year, but I promise I have lots planned and lots of adventures to come. So be sure to click like, share, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And if you'd like to help support the channel that little extra, you could always join the YouTube memberships for 99 cents. That's less than a coffee. You could help support the adventures and all of the things that happen here on the channel. But with all that being said, I think I'm going to end the video off here, you guys. So until next time, remember, never give up on living life, because life truly is the most precious thing we have. I'll see you all in the next one. Action! You didn't get the first line out! So be sure to click like, share, and subscribe if you like this kind of content.